Now, when you were saying giant pumpkins, I figured that the pumpkin would be like, I don't know what I thought.
They'll grow up to 500 pounds.
No, I just assumed that, I don't know.
That much done.
I've never grown giant pumpkins before, so I don't know.
This is my first year too.
Hard to believe they're that small when they start out, but I guess everything is that small. Like,
Yeah. They were started 3 weeks ago.
definitely gonna try to grow them though. So we have giant pumpkins that are grown here in Canada. Now, we've never grown giant pumpkins before, have no experience or no ability to even pretend that I know what I'm doing with giant pumpkins. So what I want you to do is I want you to leave some comments, some suggestions. The basic knowledge I have so far is each one of these pumpkins need their own little shelter and they need their own little greenhouse. But I was wondering if there's any great secrets. I've heard that you can feed them milk, you can feed them water, you can inject them, you can not inject them. I'd like to know from anybody that's ever trying to grow a giant pumpkin what the best way to actually grow it is, or what some suggestions might be. So if you have any ideas on letting me know how to make these as fat as I can get them, leave me a comment and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks.